And there I came across Suvin Consultants, and I met Rocky sir, and he is an absolutely a great mentor. I met him in Thane branch. I remember today also I met him and I asked, Sir, I am a working professional and I'm too aged to switch into this career of industry. Do you think I am a perfect candidate? He said, age is not a bar. It's all about what you know. There are many working professionals. I have trained people and they have switched their career. So age is never a bar that you cannot switch your. So I learned this data science course through Suvin Consultant. I came to know about this course through some of my industry friends and colleagues. So the reason to learn this course is one, I wanted to switch my career into a completely new domain which is unexplored till now. So I wanted to join this domain. I wanted to understand more the depth of this domain, and I wanted to switch my career. I always wanted to enter into a professional industry. To tell you about my background, I have approximate 9.5 years of experience in teaching and as assistant professor in different engineering colleges. Talking about my journey, so I am married from 8 years and I have a 4.5 years old daughter. So I was married when I was pursuing my ME first year.
Okay.
But I got a very good support from my family. My family, I live in a joint family where I have mother-in-law, father-in-law, a husband, a daughter, and my parents too, where I have to look after them. So it was a really difficult, but they always supported me. My family always supported me that you should definitely move ahead with respect to your career, with respect to your job. So my marriage didn't become a full stop for me. It always motivated me that please carry on. Please, you can do more better. So they always motivated me in this way. And today I am pursuing my PhD along with my job and also taking care of my family and my daughter. So this was about myself. Before I joined Suvin Consultant, I came to know about Suvin Consultant through some of my industry friends who are already a part of industry and some colleagues. So they gave a very good feedback because I wanted to learn this data science course where I can get some practical hands-on session and just not a theoretical knowledge. What happens generally in many online platforms, we get the theoretical knowledge free of cost without paying anything or maybe some minimal charges. But that is only limited to theory. That doesn't give us a platform where we can explore different things, case studies and different hands-on session where we cannot ask a live doubt which I may come across when I'm seeing a recorded video. There is no platform where I can ask my doubts or get it clarified on time. Even if they say you can post your query, I note it down somewhere. But after 2 days, I may forget to post that query. So this is something which I wanted to know, that I want a physical platform where I can get my doubts cleared and I can have a good hands-on session on the data science platform, because I wanted to have a deep understanding. So I asked my few of my friends, and they suggested me that if you are really looking for a good career in data science course, you should definitely look forward for Suvin Consultants. And there I came across Suvin Consultants, and I met Rocky sir, and he is an absolutely a great mentor. I met him in Thane branch. I remember today also I met him and I asked, Sir, I am a working professional and I'm too aged to switch into this career of industry. Do you think I am a perfect candidate? He said, age is not a bar. It's all about what you know. There are many working professionals. I have trained people and they have switched their career. So age is never a bar that you cannot switch your career. So he supported me a lot. He motivated me that I should definitely look forward for a change. I would definitely recommend, if anybody is looking for a career switch or career growth, they can always look forward to join Suvin Consultants, and I will especially recommend Rocky sir in this case. Why? Because Suvin Consultant is just not a startup, it's a brand, and it's doing a very good work since 15 years, and they have shown their hard work in case of placements, in case of training and training the students. Their courses are designed in such a way that they upgrade their syllabus. It is not like पुराना जो भी चल रहा है वही पढ़ा रहे घिसा पीटा. They upgrade their syllabus as per the industry requirement. So they make the students train in such a way that they are already ready to crack the interviews for the job, for their career switch, and for they make them industry ready. So I will definitely ask everyone, if they are looking for a career switch, they should definitely approach Suvin Consultant at least once. And they should enroll for the courses so that they have very good understanding, which will be helpful for them to crack the interviews. And Suvin Consultant will train them in such a way that they are industry ready.
Here we have today Miss Mansi Kulkarni, who would be actually giving us her insights on her professional journey of her career right from almost 10 years ago, when she started as a teacher or a lecturer, and today she is on the verge of completing her PhD. And very soon she would actually become a doctorate in data science, and would be looking forward to careers in data science domain in the industry. We would like to know exactly her different career challenges that she faced throughout, and which can actually be a great inspiration for young professionals who are just maybe college pass outs looking for a job, or people who have already spent 2 to 3 years in their careers and now they are looking to shift their career domain from different lines like support or something into a technical analysis, and they would possibly look at careers in data science or data analysis or business analysis for that matter. So here we have Mansi, who would speak her mind out today. So over to you, Mansi. Can you briefly just introduce yourself to all of us?
Yeah. Hello everyone. My name is Manasi Kulkarni Pandharkar. I am a assistant professor. From last 10 years, I'm in this particular field. I'm teaching to MCA students, and currently I'm pursuing my PhD in data science, especially in the recommendation system from Mumbai University. So, I'm even pursuing my course of data science from Suvin Consultant.
Right, and we also know for a fact that you are a working mother. And
yes.
Along with that, you are doing your PhD. What are the kind of challenges you are facing in your current personal and professional life?
Yeah, actually from last 10 years, I'm in this field working as a professor. Starting from MET Bandra, then I shifted to Pune. I joined MIT Pune, Then right now I'm working with D.Y. Patil Institute of MCA and Management, Akurdi. And I always believe that being a teacher, and that too in a computer industry, one has to be updated, has to be. So to enhance my knowledge, to update my knowledge, I registered for my PhD. And it's really very challenging to balance between the different roles of your lives, like being a mother, being a working mother, and even a PhD student, because even I'm a student at the same time. So balancing all these roles are really difficult. So basically after delivery, I have decided to give complete 2 years to my son. But at the same time, I realized that even I need to update. It's very necessary for me to update myself as per the current trends in the industry or whatever is going on in the technology. And even this is going to help me in my PhD also. So being that thought in my mind, I was very lucky to come in contact with this Suven consultant and Rocky sir. And I joined the data science course with sir. We used to have the classes at 7:30. Right now we have the classes at the 7:30, and my son used to get up early in the morning with me, and he was also listening to the sessions. So
right.
it was possible basically only because of the personalized online learning strategy of the Suven and very small batch. Otherwise, attending the session with the concentration when you have the son with you was not possible. And really because of this Suven's strategy, it was online session, personalized attention was there, and it's a very small batch. So sir used to give a time to everyone. So it's possible only because of that. I have completed my MCA in 2008, and that time we used to learn, we have learned C, C++, Java languages. Now from last 10 years, I'm teaching to MCA students, and I think the same languages with little bit of advances in it, we are teaching it to the students also. But if you look at the industry, it's growing very fast in all the dimensions, and one of the most important aspect, or we can say the dimension right now of the industry, is the data science, because the data is huge and it plays a vital role in the decision making. So if you want to survive in the industry, maybe as a person like me who wants to switch the career from a teaching to industry, or maybe you are in an industry, it's very important to learn data science. Nowadays, even the universities also has introduced this data science as their course in their curriculum. So data science, machine learning, the IoT, these are the different things that even students are learning. So even as a teacher also, if you want to be in this particular field, and if you want to teach these subjects to the students, it's mandatory for you to learn the data science. And taking into this all consideration, even I have selected the topic of my PhD also as a data science, because if I want to switch to the industry, or if also I decided to remain in this field, data science is must. So by all these reasons, I have joined the data science. To the young professionals, I wanted to say that first you analyze what are the current industry trends are. It's not like that some of the other institute is coming with some of the other topic and they say that you have to learn it. So it's not like that. Analyze what the industry trends are, know your capacity. And if you want to really survive in the IT industry, if you want a good package, then you have to gain the knowledge of that particular domain, and it's very important to be expertise in that particular domain. So machine learning, IoT, these are the current trends, whatever is going on in the industry right now. When I have joined this Suven, I came to know that it's not just a startup company. It is a well-established brand in the technology training and recruitment among the students as well as the young professionals. So I can see that many of them are learning from Suven, as well as getting placed also. It's not just that you are learned and you have done the course and you got the certificate. I can see that many of them are getting placed, the young professionals. Even there are people who are experts in one of the domains, to switch from one domain to another domain. Suven is helping them also. So I think it's because of the honest, sincere and continuous 15 years of efforts in the training, hiring pace of the Suven. Because of that, the people are not just learning, they are getting placed, they are getting their dream jobs also.